السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Hi everybody. I will teach you how to use Scratch using your mobile phone or your tablet, because more people couldn't install Scratch in their telephone. Scratch here, this I will search for Scratch, but here take care from this one. I can see it in Arabic, but try to take care with the symbol of the screen. Okay, you will use this one. It means that I will see this website as I can see in the my computer machine. So it's now changed. Everything I can see everything here. So I will go for Scratch now. Now I can see Scratch. I will change as I want this language for the English language. So I will use English. Now I can create. I can see everything here now. Creating project, loading blocks and everything. Yeah, now I can see my Scratch. I can close this one. Close, no problem. So here I can use this my symbol as you can see, something like that. I can go for events and I can build everything as you can see now. So thank you very much. Now I can put it here. I can delete everything now like that, no problem. Okay, here I can play and I can see what's your name. I can write Muhammad, for example, and I will press write. Okay, something like that. Thank you very much and meet you in next time.